Hi everyone, today we're here because we're gonna make some slime. It's not just slime, it's galaxy slime. So I have 3 different glitter glue. This one's pink, this one's purple, and this one's blue. And you're also gonna need some baking soda and contact solution. This one I just got it at Family Dollar for about $4. You're gonna need a spoon or something to mix with, and a small bowl to mix everything in. I'm gonna start by doing the pink one, and I'm gonna empty out all the glue in here. So it's almost all out. I tried to take out as much as I could. Now I'm gonna be going in with my baking soda, and I'm just gonna do 1 tablespoon. And I'm gonna mix as much as I can. After that, I'm gonna add my contact solution. And I'm gonna keep mixing. So now I'm just gonna add these 2 other colors to make some galaxy slime. Now I'm gonna add the purple one. And then I'm gonna mix again, and I'm gonna repeat the same steps that I did with the pink one. So this is somewhat how it's supposed to look. I'm not sure if it's supposed to stick a lot to your hands, and it does feel a little way too sticky. I did end up using more contact solution, and it definitely worked. That's what it needed it. So it's not sticking into my hands anymore. It works pretty good. I hope you enjoyed this video, and now I'll get right into the giveaway. Alright guys, the time has come, and I have right here all the participants from the giveaway.
I guess that winner's out.
You want to choose the winner, babe?
Yeah, I'll choose it.
Okay. Go ahead.
Okay.
Just one.
Here, you want to fold it?
Alright, he chose this one. Congratulations, Itel Chavez. Here it is. You won. Thank you so much for participating. Message me my either Facebook, Instagram, or send me an email. Thank you so much, all of you guys who participated, for all your support. Don't forget to subscribe, comment down below if you liked it or not, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!